Welcome back friends, and a warm welcome to Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we are taking a deep look at the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G, a smartphone that is designed to deliver a premium experience while staying within the powerful A series lineup. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G looks modern and refined. Samsung continues its clean and minimal approach with a solid build, slim profile, and a premium matte finish that feels comfortable in hand. The camera module blends smoothly into the back panel, giving the phone a flagship-inspired look. On the front, you get a large Super AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, making scrolling incredibly smooth. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and brightness levels are strong enough for outdoor use. Whether you're watching videos, browsing social media, or gaming, the display experience feels sharp and immersive. Performance is another strong point of the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G. Powered by an efficient next-generation processor and paired with ample RAM, this phone handles multitasking, gaming, and daily usage effortlessly. Popular games run smoothly with stable frame rates, while Samsung's software optimization ensures consistent performance over long sessions. Camera lovers will appreciate the advanced AI-powered camera system. The main sensor captures sharp and detailed photos with natural colors. Night photography is improved with enhanced low-light processing, while the ultra-wide lens helps you capture more in a single frame. On the front, the selfie camera delivers clear and well-balanced shots, perfect for social media and video calls. Battery life is reliable, thanks to a large capacity battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Fast charging support ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your phone. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G is a complete package with strong performance, excellent display, capable cameras, and dependable battery life. If you're looking for a future-ready Samsung smartphone in 2026, this device definitely deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more premium smartphone content.